So to change the light bulbs without removing the bumper, all you have to do is remove this bracket. It has two bolts. They are right here and here. So basically, let me put it back so you can see. It goes like that, and you remove the bolts, and then all you have to do is bend this. You bend it out. Normally the radiator fans are connected here, so you unplug them, you remove them, you bend this bracket off, you undo the bolts, you remove the weather stripping for more space, you undo the bolts, and then you just pull it outside the way, and then it's easy. They're just two Torx screws. Those are, let me check for you, I think T20 Torx, and that's it. Then I'm going to show you. I think it's pretty self-explanatory. Remove the bolts, make sure you don't lose them. This you pull out and up, see, and then it's very easy. All you have to do is unclip this. There's a connector at the bottom. You remove that, you pull it out, you swap it. I swapped it with this Osram Zenarc, what is it, Nightbreaker laser. Not very white, I think they're a bit yellow, maybe like 4,300K. I wish it was 5,000K, but it is what it is now. And they're going to be much better than what it used to be. I used to have some shitty ones, crappy ones. And then I'm going to show you how to remove it on the other side as well. This is much easier. Basically, you remove the intake. If you have a normal intake, I will have to just disconnect them off and then remove both of the bolts and change it very easily. Don't need to remove the bumper.